this is a huge day in the medical marijuana.
How does this personally affect you?
I have goosebumps. I'm sorry. I'm just amazed, and I'm so happy. I've been told I'm awaiting trial too, and I've been told by attorneys all over California that there was a 0 chance of a fair trial in San Diego. Judge Bashan proved that wrong. Regardless of the outcome, I wrote on Facebook yesterday that she had provided a fair trial. That was more than I expected. To see a jury of our peers tell us that finally it is okay to be a medical marijuana patient. We're not bad, we're not criminal. Maybe we can build a bridge with the DA, with the police, and start working together to have some regulations and some zoning and some guidelines, and not be lurking around in the shadows. For this operation, Primo Rex, I helped an undercover police officer who had a medical marijuana card who lied to a doctor. I believe that I was following the law. And so on.
You distributed as well.
Oh yeah, I'm rude. Yeah.
And you're a patient yourself?
I'm a patient. I've had chemotherapy. In fact, I had the cancer appointment at 2:15 this afternoon. I raced down here 80 miles an hour. I hope I'm not late for my appointment with the cancer doctor. I have an enlarged liver. That doesn't stop them. They're putting me on trial too. They've terrorized the medical marijuana community, and I hope today that this sends a signal that it's got to stop.
How does that help you physically when you use the medical marijuana? I mean, can you describe what it's like without it and what it's like with it?
Sure, absolutely. The chemotherapy caused an autoimmune problem called Sjogren's disease. I'm in so much pain that last night I went home and I decided to eat 2 pain pills to try to get rid of the pain. I threw up last night, so I got rid of the pain, but I vomited. The alternate to that is I actually use butter. I cook it and use the butter. And if that gets rid of the pain, it doesn't make me sick. So it's real effective and it's safe. And not a single person in the history of medical marijuana documentation has ever died. So it's a great day for the medical marijuana community.
And how long have you had cancer?
I was first diagnosed, I think, in 05 or 06 when I had hepatitis C. I had stage 4 cirrhosis. My liver's enlarged. They put me in a year-long chemotherapy program for that, and then I developed skin cancer. I've had a couple surgeries. I've had 5 surgeries altogether. And then on the chemotherapy, I developed Sjogren's disease, which is a connective tissue problem. So I've had a couple surgeries related to those problems. And I've been in so much pain watching this trial, and it's just a great day for me. It's a great day because this is a safe, effective alternative to pharmaceuticals for long-term problems. And for somebody to be able to have no criminal record like Javon and be able to help the community is just vital. It's important, and we got to work together to have regulations so it's not only scary people that are involved. So there's a safe, clean place for patients to get access to the plant.
Great, thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, I know I'm not right. Fired by I didn't even have one. What it has is help right now. I was trying to do what I could do. I really like to grow and they charged me.
We're going to have a little get-together celebration for Javon and Denise building right after this.
And I don't know what they think about it. Oh, we'll hunt you. I don't like it. Well, I've come to every medical marijuana case after now. And to learn about the divide between the general public.
We had to take her to the place where she was at.
And
Where she was at just a second ago.
Stayed away from me. And you'll know in January. I have the rest of the day with me. Sure, I know. Sure,
talk
sure.
over that? Sure. Anybody who's with ACE, do you guys...